Alright, so in this video, we're going to go from this to this. Okay, I'm going to replace the throttle body. The reason why I'm replacing it is because I got these codes right here. And so to replace it, first thing I'm going to do, as always, is disconnect the negative side of the cable, the battery cable. And then I'm going to go ahead and take off the intake hose right here, hose clamp right here, hose clamp right here, and then there's going to be 4 bolts on the throttle body, 2 on top, 2 right on the bottom. And to unplug the throttle body, you pull that little red lever up and then pinch it and unplug it. So right here you can see that's what I pinched to unplug. And then we're done, we'll just simply plug it back in. First we'll disconnect the negative side of the battery cable. Loosen the 2 hose clamps and then remove the intake tube. Maybe. Again, it's 8mm. Okay. Okay, so here's the plug that was unplugged, that you have to unplug. Push that up, push that in right there, and just pull it out. And then you got 4 bolts, 2 on top, 2 on bottom, and then it comes right on out. Okay. There's the old one, a little dirty inside there. The new one on. It's got a nice gasket in there, so there's no need to replace it. It's kind of an O-ring type gasket. Looks good. I like to kind of do like a star pattern, just like with the wheels. Try to prevent any warpage, and just kind of slowly tighten them up here. So. Okay, and put the intake tube back on. Maybe. And of course, don't forget this. Plug that in, lock it in, make sure it's all good and tight. To ensure that the computer has been cleared, take a wire and run it from the ground cable, which is still off the battery, and run it to the positive battery cable. Again, this is with the battery cable disconnected. Put the cable back on. Put her down. Okay. Check everything. Put that back on there. That's good. That's good. That's good. All right. So next up, start the car with everything turned off. Let it idle for a little bit, and turn on the AC. Let it idle a little bit longer, and then hopefully take it for a drive. Okay, when you start it up, I've heard you're supposed to make sure everything's turned off. So I'm gonna just turn it right here for now. Start it up, see what happens. Probably run like crap for a little bit. We'll let it run for a couple of minutes. Then I'm gonna turn the AC on, let it run the AC, and drive it around. There goes the AC. Seems to be just fine so far. I'm Mr. Impatient. I want to go ahead and go. Okay, now we're gonna give it a drive, see what happens. Alright. So far so good. Just drive it normal. Don't accelerate too quick. Don't drive it too slow. Don't baby it. Looks like all's good. Thank you for watching.